Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. Today I'm going to share with you an app that I've been using it for a few days now, and I've already managed to withdraw money into my PayPal account. And the name of the app is Make Money. Let's just check it on my PayPal. Make Make Money. Let's see if I can be able to get it this way. Okay, here it is. Make money and earn cash reward. That's the name of the app. Make money and earn cash reward. A lot of people are using it. It's good. In this app you can be able to listen to your favorite music and get paid. Play games, get paid. Listen to your favorite radio stations and get paid. Play games, get paid. You even get paid when you charge your phone. You can only charge your phone and earn points. And to redeem your points, you'll need a PayPal account. There are different gift cards that you can get. Let's just go straight to it into my Android phone. I'm using an Android for now. Okay, here it is. Let's open it and see how it works. You can even search all kind of music that you want to listen: hip hop, R&B, classic, gospel, different kind of music, and continue to earn points. You can even refer your friends and earn points, or answer the surveys, complete tasks. All those tasks, they're going to give it to you. You can complete them and earn more money. You can make a passive income out of this app as long as you monitor it properly. Okay, let's see. I've been using it for a while. Okay, even my music is continue to play. Let me pause this music first, because I'm listening to music every single day. I no longer listen to music that doesn't pay. I'm using this app to listen to all kinds of music that I need, whereas I'm getting paid. Okay, so far let's see where my points, how much are my points that I've earned for now. Yeah, this is the list of all kinds of music that still there, the albums. Okay, yeah, as you can see, when you register, you'll have to make yourself a target. How much you want to reach. I made myself a target of $6 in gift card of PayPal. That's what I'm working for. You have to make yourself, so yeah. There are different kind of gift cards that you can receive. You can even get some gadgets, watches. There are a lot of things that you can get, and it's legit. It's paying, it's legit, it's good, and it pays in time. And one other good thing about the app is they update you each and every day. They be with you each and every day. The personnel of this app, they will be with you every day. If you earn, they will continue to send you. Okay, for now I do have some task to complete. Every day they will send you an email to update you. Okay, here are my The way to refer, all you have to do is to just copy your referral code and share it with anyone. I will leave mine below. Click on it, download, and continue to earn. Continue to earn yourself some money. Music, let's test if I can search a music and play it. If I can search a song, then play it. Let me check Tupac. I like Tupac very much. Let me check if I can play a song of Tupac for now. And here are different kind of songs for Tupac. Okay, let me hear Dear Mama. Oh, there you go. Yeah, it's playing properly, and the more you play the music, you can listen to the music for the whole day and earn more points, earn more points, earn and earn and earn. And once they are enough, then you can redeem them. Okay, the boost, you have to boost your earning rate. At least just visit once in a while, okay? Then you'll be able to see if you can earn more than what you have made. Now I connected my charger. Let me see if I'm going to earn something. And there you go. I'm starting to earn already. Open a current. Yeah. My charger is connected. I was checking if I connect my charger, I will continue to earn. Yes, I connected my charger and I'm earning. As you can see, it's counting right here. It's counting right here. And let's go to my emails to check payment proof. I will always continue to share the payment proof. I like to share apps that are having payment proof, because as you all need to make some passive income from those apps, same applies to me. I need to make some passive income out of it. Oh, let me pause this music first. We all need to make a passive income from those apps and to test if it's legit. Yeah, mine is legit. I used it several times and I never experienced any problem till now. Oh, my network is kind of slow. Okay, there you go. Current media. Let me open on current media. That's the last withdrawal I've made from my PayPal, and I received it without experiencing any problem. As you can see, they are the daily update. They update you each and every single day. And even if you can go to PayPal and leave your review, they will respond faster to show that they are legit. They are legit. This one I was testing if it's legit. Then I noticed that it came out to be true. It's legit. I received my payment. I received my payment on PayPal. And there you go. I received my payment on PayPal. And it's easy. Yep, just like that. Thank you very much, people. Don't forget to like my video, leave a comment below, and subscribe. And one other thing, hit that notification bell so that I can leave more videos on making passive income. Thank you, and God bless you.